Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm extremely excited for this video. Like so excited. So one of my favorite releases from G1 of Monster High is NEFERA DE NILE, and she is so stinking hard to get. I painted one of her and I loved it. I loved how she came out. She was like beautiful. I just love NEFERA. Like I love the body of G1 for like the big sister bodies. I love her face. Her face is so good. I love like Cleo's face, but like NEFERA's face just felt like Cleo's face, but like a little bit more harsh, but like I really liked it. So when I saw that they were making a G3 NEFERA DE NILE, I was so excited for it, but I was also just like, where is this thing? Because I feel like I saw it months ago and then like that was it. And I was just like, is she coming out? Where is she? And yeah, I just didn't really hear much about her until last week on Instagram. Somebody said that they found a NEFERA DE NILE G3 doll at Books A Million. And if you guys don't know what Books A Million is basically a bookstore. It's like kind of what it sounds like. It has a lot of books. So I guess they also have NEFERA DE NILE there. Immediately went on booksamillion.com, and I actually have a Books A Million in my hometown. So I was like, oh cool, maybe they have it. I can go like pick it up and like do other things in my hometown, because I love my hometown. I love going there, and I love going to like the mall that this Books A Million is located in, because it just gives me like, I don't know, it's not nostalgia. They have like an Ulta and a Target and then a Books A Million, and I just like all those stores. So I was like, cool, make it like a little day of it. But I actually came to learn when I was looking into this doll that the Books A Million in my hometown closed down like last month, and I'm actually heartbroken. It's been around for a while, and it's just a really awesome like bookstore slash, I don't know, they just have like things there that are really cool. I was really bummed to see that it closed, because again, it's just one of my like favorite stores in my hometown mall. So yeah, I was like, oh, that sucks. And then the next Books A Million is not like super close. I was like, you know what, let's just ship this doll to myself. And it was also an option, so I was like, sick. So I got G3 NEFERA. She's beautiful, by the way. Like this doll, oh my god, look at her skin tone, her hair. She also looks like she's like I really want to take her clothes off and see what this body sculpt is. She's beautiful. Like she looks just as beautiful as G1 NEFERA, and I'm so excited to open her. Kind of excited to like look at her little accessories. Like she has hummus. I just find that really interesting. She's a little tiny little hummus. She got like an Egyptian Stanley Cup, which I find so interesting. It's like all Egypt decked out and stuff, and that just really speaks to me because one, I have a Stanley Cup, so we're soulmates, and then also I truly aspire to be the level of too much where you have a decked out Stanley Cup. I just think it's the funniest thing, and I aspire to be that flamboyant with my beverages of choice. So that's where that's from. So has like a computer, and it's like all Monster High. She has hummus, you love to see it. She's got some snack that eventually when I make my Monster High vending machine, I'm gonna put that in. This bag is dope, yo. This bag is crazy. But yeah, let's just look at her. Let's look at the packaging. Let's look at this art, bruh. This art is so pretty. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so this is NEFERA's packaging. I'm sorry about my ring light. I'm just gonna like go like this. There she is. Now you can see it's your standard Monster High packaging. It's very cute. It shows you all the things. I love like this. I love that they make each little girly like their own font. Like hers is all like Egypty, you know, and it's colorful. And then to the side you got her accessories, little gradient. That's the back. I don't know, it's pretty standard for Monster High. There she is. I love her art. Look at her, sassy queen. There's all the girlies in the back. Where's her sister? Her sister couldn't make it that day. Yeah, I like the packaging. It's great. It's always great. Here is NEFERA. Bruh. I actually love this, and I love it even more now that she's out of the packaging, because like I loved it before, but then I got like a closer look at her outfit and everything, and I just like really like the draping of like her, I don't even know, whatever the heck, her fabric that she has. I like how her outfit is like kind of uneven. It's not kind of uneven, it is uneven. I love the ribbon detailing on her sleeve. That's really cool. Her skin tone is just so pretty too. It just really makes like the colors of this pop. I love it. Like she really does. I don't know. She looks like a princess, like a beautiful princess. And she has those cute little Monster High sticky out ears that I really, really like. I like her like big old ponytail too. I do love me a high ponytail. I honestly think because like I just feel like I can't pull it off. I just adore it so much. Really pretty details. And I also just love her color scheme. Her shoes. I'll show you guys some shoes. Go down a little bit. Whee! So she got shoes. They're just like kind of, I don't know, what are they, like gladiator type of sandal thingies or just sandals? Whoa, okay, there we go. They have this, look at this snake. This is so cool. I honestly wish Monster High, whoever is designing these shoes, would like, I think they've actually done it before. I think there was like JackyOhhhx shoes that came out, but they should make more, like make shoes. Oh my god, like human shoes. I like this belt, and it's also has little painted detailing. Like look at that pink gem right there. And I like that it's like draping. I don't know, all the draping is really nice on this doll. Her makeup is stunning, her face is stunning. Her eyes are like super light violet, I think. I'm like, it's violet or pink. These earrings are dope. She got scorpions. Yeah. I don't know a lot again about Nefera, but I kind of get the vibe that she's like sort of a bitch, but like also like I don't know, don't quote me, but like also she's my bitch, so it's fine. She does have the mummy wrap detailing that Cleo has that I would be honest I'm not like a fan of. I get the thought process behind it. I don't know, just like flesh colored bandages that are like the kind that you wrap around. Just weirds me out a little bit. Like it doesn't look right in my head. I know what they're going for. I'm just not crazy about it. I'm wondering if it's in like the same exact placement as Cleo's. I'm also really wondering what her body sculpt looks like because I am looking at her and I know she's like definitely curvy. If she's like Cleo's, then she has sort of like an hourglass sculpt, but she looks tall. So I don't think it's like the same sculpt as Abby's at all, and I think Abby is like one of the tall dolls. I don't know if there's like another tall doll. I think maybe Caddy is tall, I'm not sure, but Caddy is like way different body type. So yeah, I want to take her clothes off and see what's going on. I stepped away to like get her accessories out and stuff. Her face, yo. Like this color scheme is so good. Look at her face. She's giving face. Like look at the face. Oh my god. It's just, it's so good. You guys, I just like can't. I cannot handle, like as a person who loves like makeup and stuff, like her face is so fierce. Like look at it. Look at it. Look at the little, this thing. It's so like pretty and shiny and it seems really highlighted, and she has a little star right there and the eyeliner and the colors and the blue, like teal lips. I just love it. It's so good. She's so good. She's so fierce. Oh my god. I'm honestly like, I love this doll. Alright, let's talk about this. This is her gold like Stanley Cup thing. It kind of looks like, it says Horus Cup. Does it open? Oh. I feel like it probably will. Oh, yes it do. Yes it do. You can take the top off. That's so cool. I just love, I love little details like that. Yeah, it's all like Egyptian decked out. There's all these like little details and stuff. It's great. I really like this. And typically, I honest to God do not give a crap about like Monster High doll accessories, but I think this is a really cute one. And I love how gold it is. And I just feel like it's very relevant to things that people like right now, because people just like their little Stanley like thermos thingies. I like my Stanley thermos thing, so it's cool. It's dope. I have a computer. This computer is actually really cool. I feel like this is not, I don't know, I have opened up many dolls and I feel like a lot of them have computers, but this computer is really cool because like you open it, I'm like, look at that. She's got like some stuff open and little pictures of her, and then she has a keyboard and the keyboard's like black, like it has painted details and everything.
And it's a cool like shape. I don't know, I really like it. I feel like there's just like nice attention to detail with this thing. I feel like, is she like an influencer in the story? I don't know, but I feel like she should be because she would influence me. This is her bag. Her bag will not close, so that's not great. Yeah, here's her bag. It just will not close. Like, it's not clasping at all, which definitely sucks. But it's really pretty. Like, I'm kind of bummed because I actually do really like this bag. I like the little painted detailing. I like her color scheme a lot. Like, I like the teal, purpley pink, and gold. It has a bunch of, like, I don't know, Egyptian details. We got snake, we got scarab. Yeah. It's really cool. I feel like when I was saying, like, Monster High should come up with shoes, they should also come up with bags. I would 1000% buy these bags, by the way. I'm a bag girl. I don't really care about shoes. Like, I do, but I also know my limits when it comes to, like, walking and being a person, and I know that I would not be able to walk in a lot of the heels that these dolls have. The bag is just way easier. Hummus. I actually love this. Like, I love this. I think it's just really cool. It's like a food. I like the more obscure Monster High foods that I get. Like, they're definitely growing on me. At first I was like, don't give me food, I hate food when it comes to, like, doll accessories, but I like these. Like, where else are you gonna get, like, hummus for a doll? You know? I mean, you could probably find it, like, online or something, but, from, like, a brand like Mattel. I don't know, just, like, a more common brand. It's not, like, some random niche thing that you find on, like, Etsy or whatever. Yeah, it's hummus. I like hummus. Hummus is great. We have some chippies. Ah! I don't want to drop it. We have chips. These are called... These are called scarab. These chips. They go with my extremely extensive Monster High chip collection that I have. I have many Monster High chips. This is her phone. I'm kind of wondering how her phone compares to Cleo's phone, which I have somewhere in the vast depths of my random doll accessories. It's got a scorpion on the back. Yo, this case is dope too. Can we make this into a human-sized case and then give it to me? I feel like maybe you could find some sort of extremely detailed scorpion case on somewhere, but this is her phone, and I really like the, like, doll phones. It's cute to also see what they have on there, like their little icons and stuff. Yeah. It's like Egyptian. It's very Nefera-y. So I like it. She has glasses. I don't know. Like, these are definitely not the same glasses that I've seen before, but they look kind of similar to glasses that I have for some sort of Monster High doll. But they're definitely, like, styled differently. I think it's just a color thing. Yeah, I mean, they're kind of simple, at least in comparison to our other accessories. But you know what? At least they're not paper. We've been getting some paper accessories, which missed me with that. These are plastic. They're just a little bit more simple. But she does have the, like, kind of detailing. Like, these little things right here are scorpion... What is it called? Scorpion stinger things. Those. These are sunglasses. I like them. They're not my favorite accessory that she has, but they're still cute, and they're still giving Nefera, and they still go with her color scheme. So I like it. Nefera and Abby, just like a little comparison. There is not really much that is similar with their dolls aside from height. Yeah, like Nefera is definitely like not as thick as Abby is. Abby's definitely like quite a bit thicker than Nefera. They both have like really pretty body like sculpts, and I'm really excited. I love that Monster High is just doing just way different bodies. Like, there's so many body types, and I think that's just really dope. I was kind of expecting Nefera to be a little bit curvier, like more hourglassy, because I would say that Cleo is very much like an hourglass. I think her hips are a bit bigger or something than like Nefera's hip ratio. Like, I think that Nefera has like the kind of thicker thigh sculpt that Cleo has, but like the hips are just, I guess, just not as hourglassy. It's still like a beautiful sculpt, and yeah, just everything with like her skin tone, her color scheme is really pretty. I was expecting the curves to be a little bit more drastic, but this is still like gorgeous. So this is a comparison. I would like to say, if you can find this doll, definitely pick it up if you've been wanting it, if you have the funds to purchase it, because it's great. It's beautiful. She's like, I don't know, I am definitely biased towards Nefera. I just think she's just a really cool character design, and I've always thought her doll was really pretty. But yeah, she's like, I don't really have any complaints that I can think of, aside from the fact that her like personal clothes, that's kind of sucks, but like that's about it, and that's not going to stop me from buying a doll, and I don't think it should stop you either. And also, maybe it's just the purse that my doll has that won't close. So yeah, I love her. If you guys have picked her up from Books A Million, let me know down in the comments if there's anywhere else you can get this doll. Also, somebody say that, because I feel like, you know, Books A Million probably gonna run out of stock soon. It's literally the only place that seems to be carrying her. But I do expect her to probably be in like Amazon or something soon. So yeah, tell me what you guys think about her. Oh, her hair. P.S. This is like, I feel like I'm like so kind of like over mentioning this, because I feel like I mention in every single Monster High review. Girl, but it's not great. Okay, it just, you know, I don't know, it's falling out and stuff. It feels, I would say it's like, listen, I don't know anything about like different doll hair types, because I really only reroute with like nylon and stuff. It kind of feels like Dracula's hair, what I'm used to her hair feeling like. It just kind of feels like the frizzy, kind of damp feeling Monster High hair that I'm used to, and it's shedding all over the place. So it's whatever though. It's whatever. It's kind of what I expect. It does not get between my love for Nefera. Like this video if you like this video, subscribe, makes me happy, and I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. Bye!